This is how to grow and retain your customers using WhatsApp for Business link. As a professional, you'll be able to get hired. You are a consultant, you'll be able to get clients. And if you are an SME, you'll be able to get customers. If you know how to use your WhatsApp for business properly, this video will walk you through step by step. For you to locate your WhatsApp link, you come to your tools. Irrespective of your device, you tap tools. This is tools. Look at this 3 dots. You tap it. You can see short link. You see, using WhatsApp links make it easy for anyone to start a chat with your business instantly. So it is very important you use these features all the time. All you need to do is to tap it. You tap it. You can see this is your short link. You can make it shorter by just deleting all this string of numbers up to the message and replacing it with your phone number. That is it will become wa.me/your phone number, and you can also share that as your link with your customers. Look at this section, message. You can have a customized message sent along your short links. When customer click your short links, they will see that message, and that message will be an indication that they want to do business with you. If you enable this button like this, that will help your customer to be able to edit any customized message that you insert here. Let me tap these pencils. You can write a customized message that I'm interested in your business. Can we work together? If that is what you write, anytime they click your link online, that is message they'll be able to send to you. But if you enable this button like this, they can override that message and communicate to you whatever is in their mind or the kind of business they want to do with you. But if you want to do it, you can make it rigid just for them to get in touch with you for the first time by using this customized message. Hello, I'm interested in one of your products, and that is what you are going to see. But I will advise you make it flexible by enabling this button so that they can type and message you with whatever they want. All you need to do is to tap here to copy your link. You tap here to copy the link. You can see copied, and you can share this link by text message, via mail, via chat, on your social media platforms. Another thing you can do is to tap this share link. You can see you can also copy the link here. You can share your link through any of your WhatsApp contacts, on Facebook, on Instagram, and you'll be able to email your customers so that you can reach as many of them as possible. You can share your link on all your social media app that is set up and installed on your phone or your device. With links, you remove barriers. Customer connect without saving your numbers instantly, and that is one way to grow your customer base very fast. You can now grow and retain your customers using your WhatsApp for Business custom link. All you need to do for me right now is to subscribe to this channel, drop your comment, click that notification bell. You get to see and know whenever I publish my videos all the time. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.